To shop at Costco with Instacart, start by opening the Instacart app or visiting their website and selecting Costco as the store you want to shop from. If you are not already an Instacart user, you will need to create an account. Once you have selected Costco, you can browse the available items by searching for specific products, browsing through categories, or looking at the sales and promotions section. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button next to each item. When adding items to your cart, keep in mind that some products may have limitations on quantity or availability. You can also use the Sales and Promotions section to find discounted items and plan your shopping trip accordingly. After you have added all the items you want to purchase to your cart, proceed to checkout. At checkout, you will need to enter your delivery address and select a delivery time that works for you. Instacart offers various delivery options, including same-day delivery. In some areas, you will also need to enter your payment information and any relevant coupons or promo codes. If you have a Costco membership, you can enter your membership information to receive member prices on the items you are purchasing. Once you have completed the checkout process, Instacart will assign a personal shopper to fulfill your order. Your shopper will shop for the items you selected and deliver them to your doorstep at the designated time. To get the most out of shopping at Costco with Instacart, make sure to check the prices of the items you are purchasing, as they may be higher than the prices in the physical store. You should also consider the delivery fee and tip for your shopper when calculating the total cost of your order. By following these steps, you can easily shop at Costco with Instacart and have your favorite items delivered right to your doorstep. This service is especially convenient for those who do not have a Costco location near them or for those who want to avoid the hassle of in-store shopping.